Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Dan and this is Dan Tech channel. Now today I've actually decided to surprise myself over here, and as you can see I've been using this phone right over here, but actually as you know this Android phone there's problem of camera and all those things. So I actually decided to come up with something interesting over here, an iPhone. And I'm going to tell you the reason I actually decided to choose an iPhone, because there was time I actually thinking about buying an advanced camera, because for now I'm using this camera I'm using over here, the Canon camera that is actually even approximating around 100,000 over there, but I just decided to buy an iPhone over here. So as we're going to be unboxing this video over here, we are going to unbox this amazing phone over here. I'll be telling you the reason I actually decided to choose this phone over here, courtesy of Forex Trending. So let's start right after this intro, as I'm just going to take you through to see what is actually inside this box. Now this is the phone. Let's just start unboxing it to see what we can just see inside over here. This is how it just look like. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. iPhone 13 Pro Max. It just looks amazing right over here. Okay, yeah, so that is it. So let me just unbox. I think there are some things you have to remove here. Okay, and there's another one here. So okay, let's see. What? Wow, look at that. I think this is what they call the Sierra Blue. The Sierra Blue is this one. The Sierra Blue, the Sierra Blue, that is Sierra Blue. So let's put this aside. Okay, there is it. You can see. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Let's see what we have inside. What do we have inside? Tukona nini ndani? What do we have inside? We have this charger. Okay, this charger. I think this is a charger cable. Yeah. I just want to remove it to see. So I think the reason I actually decided to choose this phone over iPhone 14 is because one thing is because of camera. I've done a lot of research. You know, I'm that type of person who actually, before doing anything, I have to do a lot of research to want something. So the research actually I've done is that the iPhone 14 Pro Max has some problem with camera, especially the front camera, I think. And that is the reason I just decided to choose iPhone 13, because I be mostly going with iPhone 13 on the camera side, yeah, because it's camera thing that made me to choose this. Okay, what do you think? We have another one here. Do we have anything else here? Do we have anything here? Let me see. I want to remove this one. This. I don't think whether there's something else here. Nothing. Do we have nothing here? Sure. So nothing else here. Okay. Let me see. I don't think whether ever see. Nothing else here. Nothing else inside. We have this, and we have this one. So where is the charger? I don't see the charger here. This is on the phone. I can see this is the phone here. Okay, let me just open the phone to see what you're going to see inside. Okay, this is how the phone look like. So now we can see that one. I think this is where it takes us to settings now. Settings. It takes us to settings, and it says that I think from there, that is where we have those settings inside where you can actually set your things inside everything over there. And from there you can just set over here. So be setting this one, and I'll just be coming right back. I'm going to show you is actually to go outside and have some photography, and then we're just going to see how he's actually going to perform over here. This is interesting. This is where we'll be trending using this one. That will be trending now using our iPhone over here.